Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to send money to someone on Revolut. Revolut is a great app for sending and receiving money, and it's easy to use. Why use Revolut? There are a few reasons why you might want to use Revolut to send money. First, it's fast and easy. You can send money to anyone in the world with just a few taps on your phone. Second, it's affordable. Revolut charges a low fee for sending money, and there are no hidden costs. Finally, it's secure. Revolut uses advanced security measures to protect your money. How to send money on Revolut. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Send button. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Select the currency you want to send the money in. Enter the recipient's name or email address. Tap on the Send button. The money will be sent to the recipient immediately. You can also track the status of your transfer in the app. Additional tips. You can send money to anyone in the world, as long as they have a Revolut account. You can also send money to people who don't have a Revolut account by using their bank details. You can set up recurring transfers to send money to the same person or business on a regular basis. You can also use Revolut to pay bills and top up your prepaid phone. I hope this video has helped you learn how to send money on Revolut. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.